Kara Boats, Head of Product and Programs at Boost Mobile. Boost Mobile is one of the top mobile companies in the United States. We serve about 7 million, both postpaid and prepaid customers. We acquired Boost Mobile about 5 years ago as a strategic opportunity to leverage our 5G network. About the same time, we joined into a partnership with Wavelo. I was there from day one, and I can attest that they've been a wonderful partner over the years, and it's been an exceptional experience building this platform together. Because we've been able to start with new technology, we built a platform that's leaner, faster, and more resilient. The result? A radically simplified, agile, future-proof platform that's ready for what's next.
I'm Andy Youé. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Wavelo. We're a two-cows company. This presentation, the next 10, 15 minutes, is designed to be quite provocative. You will see increasing number of articles in LinkedIn around the failure of AI projects, and the reason they fail is access to data. So we're going to address that with our architectural play. What Kara described is a clean foundation, architectural foundation that currently runs Boost Mobile, and it is an architecture that most of the industry is still chasing. There is a legacy systems trap that you'll read about. Most people are locked in to architectures and vendors where their data is not available. Data is locked in. And so today we're going to give you a sort of walkthrough of an architecture that unlocks your data, brings it forward. We'll talk about that. And this is a true real-time platform.
Our platform, named the Digital Operator Platform, or DOP, is cloud native, it's elastic, it's fault tolerant. As Andy mentioned, many companies are struggling with outdated technology, which requires massive shifts to keep up and implement AI. Our existing event-driven framework allows for a proactive strategy. As our AI initiative evolve, our platform is ready to keep up with all those initiatives.
So this architecture is what we call data forward. I just talked about the fact that legacy architectures have data locked into silos. Our architecture brings the data forward. It's real time. It means it's accessible all the time. Think of it as a data stream. It's the first architecture in the world, we think, that is actually bringing an event streaming architecture to BSS and OSS. It is real-time. Data is at the heart of everything. And over the next few slides, we're going to kind of show you how many parts of your business this architecture has a benefit for. It's exactly the kind of environment that AI needs. And we just announced this architecture is now TM Forum certified.
With event-driven architecture, every interaction is a signal in motion. If you take an upgrade, a billing, or a provisioning activity, it's a signal that sets the stage for activities across the platform. An example is an MRC payment. When Wavelo sends us an event that a customer has successfully processed an MRC payment, it triggers multiple actions within our digital operator platform that provides an excellent customer, agent, and operational experience for everyone using the platform.
This kind of architecture is already deployed extensively outside of telecoms. It underpins PayPal, trillions of transactions a day. So already proven at scale outside of telecom. I'm going to keep on about the fact that we are locked in as an industry to a classic point-to-point architecture. We approach the problem by wrapping our architecture around the legacy environment. You can come and see that. I'll talk later on about our booth and the work we're doing with the Catalyst here. It's the only way to bring the data forward for AI to be effective. And AI needs this real-time step to be truly effective.
We didn't chase automation. We engineered processes that are simpler, faster, and easier to manage. Instead of building heavy workflows, we focused on getting the architecture right. That work has dramatically reduced our need for manual intervention.
Let's talk about intelligent automation. If you think about the way in which a stream of business events, if brought forward, is going to allow you to automate based on very specific customer actions, then that opens the whole world to AI automation. Just think about for a second, we'll give you another couple of examples, but something happens in the network is instantly known in the BSS, OSS. We can take some instant action around customer satisfaction, subscriber satisfaction, and the whole thing is kind of seamless. Again, we can show you this in action in the catalyst here.
Our architecture foresight translates to speed to market advantages and reduced deployment risks. I like to use the example, our business often comes to my teams with problems that they need help solving. Because of our architecture, we're often able to provide solutions and solve their problems more quickly than they realized and in ways they hadn't even anticipated. This positions our organization as a leader, capable of rapid innovation instead of always trying to keep up.
That's a great point. This is about providing your business with the right data at the right time. If your data is forward, then you can not only see what's actually happening, you can test scenarios, you can A/B test certain product offerings, and this is what obviously Boost benefits from today, the ability to launch product very, very quickly. It's also the perfect setup for things that you might want to do. I want to talk about orchestration again. Think about next best offer. If you have a subscriber in the channel, i.e. communicating with you in some way, and it could be through a chatbot, it could be on the IVR, it could be on the internet, the fact that your business knows what's happening with that subscriber at that point allows you to start making really intelligent decisions about what products you offer that subscriber, what actions you take to that subscriber when they're actually, if they have a problem. You know inherently whether that person, that subscriber, is a valuable subscriber, their lifetime value is good, whether there's a high risk of churn, for example, and you can kind of take decisions on that basis. Very, very powerful stuff.
Our digital operator platform was engineered with high flow-through rates and smart retry logic. Most asynchronous failures resolve automatically. Our resolution time is minimal. This architecture enables rapid recovery. All of our data is stored, logged, and error handling and recovery happen automatically.
That's another really good point. Every single event is observable. So we've talked today in the last 8 minutes about all the different ways in which this kind of architecture can provide valuable benefits to your business, and not just AI. This is a really, really good example. So when all of the business events are observable, then it means that if there's a problem, you can replay those events. This is a really, really important point. And this kind of underpins everything that we do. If I then overlay AI onto that, it means that AI can make decisions proactively. Pattern recognition, it can take actions based on certain things that might have happened in the network. It can take actions based on certain things that might have happened in your business. Application goes down, we can take some action. Pattern detection is a breeze in this environment, and operations is no longer reactive. It can be proactive.
When we built the digital operator platform, we didn't aim to build an AI platform. We set out to build a robust platform. What we ended up with a stack that is lean, fast, and future ready. Because our architecture is built on events, which drives data, we're not just ready for AI, our architecture gets us ready for the next wave of AI. This ensures systems can adapt proactively, delivering operational efficiencies and foresight, which leads to an exceptional customer experience.
If we just pause here for a second, the provocative message we're bringing here is that in order to be truly ready for AI, you need an architecture like this. Lots of stories of people plugging in AI, getting some success but not actually working. Lots of articles now around different kind of data models to support AI. We decided we would not use the phrase large language model on stage here, well, I just did. This sounds like a transformation, but it's not. We have the ability to start plugging in our event architecture and getting some early wins, and you don't have to change much, if anything, on your back end. So that's the takeaway here. Very, very advanced architecture, TM Forum certified. Not a heavy lift to get there. I may have actually preempted the last slide.
No. Having a clear architectural blueprint for an event-driven foundation has been critical to our success. It was key to us driving meaningful operational efficiencies and enabled us to deliver new capabilities quickly. It didn't hurt that we had a great partner.
Thanks, Kara. So AI starts with architecture. We have a structured delivery plan. Everything's designed to scale. I think I'm going to stop there. We've left some time for Q&A if there's some questions. Before I do, Wavelo, you can come and see us and Boost at booth 207, which is just over here. And we are showing some of this event architecture and how it correlates with AI. I think it's I2.21 in the innovation zone. But if you forget that, come and see us at 207. It's just over there. Kara, anything else you wanted to?
No, thank you.
Thank you for being an attentive audience. Appreciate it.